What's the meaning of coincide? Coincide. Coincide.
Coincide. Coincide. The word coincide means to occur at the same time or to occupy the same position in space. When two events coincide, they happen together or at the same moment. When two objects coincide, they occupy the same location or share the same physical space. Coincidence can also refer to the occurrence of two or more things that seem to be connected or related, but which may have happened by chance rather than design. In general, coincidence suggests the meeting or convergence of different elements, events, or conditions in a way that creates an interesting or significant outcome.